When your Gree air conditioner malfunctions, a manual reset is often the most effective first troubleshooting step. There are three primary methods to manually reset your unit. The power cycle reset is the most reliable method. First, turn off your air conditioner completely using either the power switch on the unit or by switching off the circuit breaker at your electrical panel. Next, wait for 5 to 10 minutes. This waiting period is crucial as it allows any residual electrical charge in the system's capacitors and circuits to fully dissipate, ensuring a complete reset. Finally, restore power to the unit. This power cycle often resolves minor electronic glitches, communication errors, and temporary system freezes that can cause your air conditioner to malfunction. Some Gree air conditioner models feature a dedicated reset button. This is typically a small pinhole button located on the control panel or sometimes on the remote control unit. To use this reset method, locate the small button and use a toothpick or similar thin object to press and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. However, note that not all Gree models include this reset button feature. The remote control can also be reset independently. Start by removing the batteries from your remote control. This ensures complete power disconnection from the remote's internal circuits. With the batteries removed, press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. This discharges any remaining energy stored in the remote. Then simply reinsert the batteries to complete the reset process. These manual reset methods work by clearing temporary electronic glitches, resetting the system's memory and settings, and resolving communication errors between components. Try the power cycle method first, as it's the most comprehensive reset option. Many Gree air conditioners include Wi-Fi connectivity that sometimes needs to be reset. There are two different methods depending on your remote control type. First method, if your remote has a dedicated Wi-Fi button, simply press it until the air conditioning unit emits a beep sound. This beep indicates the Wi-Fi module has been successfully reset. Second method, if your remote doesn't have a Wi-Fi button, press and hold both the mode and turbo buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds until you hear a beep sound. After resetting the Wi-Fi module, use the Gree Plus app to reconnect your air conditioner. Open the app, tap the plus button, select your Wi-Fi network, and enter the password. The app will automatically search for and register your Gree unit. If you encounter connection issues, keep the air conditioner and smartphone close to your Wi-Fi router. Use a 2.4 GHz network with a simple name containing no special characters. If problems persist, try using a mobile hotspot for the initial setup. Following these steps should successfully reset and reconnect your Gree air conditioner's Wi-Fi connection, allowing you to control it remotely through the Gree Plus app.